just want to see me taste test Japanese snacks, don't you? Is, but I'm gonna cook it. Yes, I do live in Japan, and no, I don't speak Japanese. People keep speaking English to me, so I have not learned any Japanese. What's up, YouTube? I'm just cooking myself up some rice because I live an adventurous lifestyle and eat really fancy food on the reg. I picked up this packet. I don't know what it is, but it was in the shop next to the rice, so I assume I put it on my rice. And I know just enough Japanese to know that these ones are egg and these ones are vegetable. So I'm gonna chuck some powder in my rice. Let's see what happens. Here goes. Roll it. Got a tattoo. Got them to thank or blame for how this meal turns out. I don't even know if I'm meant to add it now or at the end or what. Well, it is definitely helping to create the illusion that I'm cooking something much more interesting than just a big bowl of rice. So it's got leaves and things. Now, don't go worrying about me too much. I do subsist on more than just bowls of rice. Also going to chop up some cocktail weenies and chap lemon. Sausages. Fine dining, if I do say so myself. Right, let's give it a go. I've eaten a hell of a lot of bowls of rice while I've been living on my own and trying to save money. And I've tried every which way, just getting a little bit more flavour in there. Definitely add something to it. I do wish I'd discovered those bags of powders a little bit earlier. But honestly, yeah, I'd probably rather just chuck some soy sauce in there. Just got home from work. I'm hungry, can't be asked to cook anything, so I'm going to bash out this Pokemon curry kit. I don't actually know what it is, what it's got to do with Pokemon. I don't know if it's a powder or curry blocks or what. Let's find out. Ooh, it's pretty thick stuff. Oh, nice. A big Alolan Marowak sticker. I'm always tempted to keep that one for myself, but I always give these stickers to my students, and I would sound kind of mental if I said, no, I want to keep it for myself, I'm not sharing it with children. That is exactly what I want to say. Alright. So this curry stuff's actually pretty crazy. What I can do is just bung the pouch in the boiling water, so I can cook my rice and my sauce all at once on my single stove. So that's actually really cool. Probably bung some cocktail weenies in there, put a bit of bean sprouts on the side. Got a borderline legitimate dinner. So thank you very much, Pikachu. Okay, curry a la Pokemon. Let's give it a go. Bit of sauce, bit of rice, let's go. It's okay, it's nothing fancy. Decent curry flavour, got some veg in there, so some tiny little bits of meat. I chucked the sausages in myself, got some bean sprouts on the side because I'm not 100% a slob, just like 98. Yeah. If you're going to buy a weird little foil packet of curry that you boil in the bag to make a curry, you could do worse than that Pikachu one. I would imagine you can also do a lot better. Okay, so I'm going to try cooking my rice with the other flavour. Let's see what I get. Sharpedo and a Solgaleo, so I'm sure they will give me excellent flavoured rice. I definitely smell a bit of egg, so they weren't lying. Doesn't look much different from the other one. There's a bit more yellow, so there definitely is some egg flavour in there. So let's give it a go. I noticed with the other one, it didn't seem to do much, so I'm guessing maybe they were designed for smaller portions. So I'm going to bash a couple in today, and let's see if that makes it any better. Okay, I've got my egg flavoured rice. Thank you, Sharpedo, Sargelio, Roland Baltic, et al. As you can see, I've put way more flavouring in this one than I did with the vegetable one. Hopefully that means I'll actually taste something this time. It's definitely got more like yellow coloration, I can see the herbs and stuff. Let's go! Really hot. Definitely gives it a little something, but still very mild. Yeah. Unless it turns out I'm cooking them wrong, I can't recommend those little Pokemon rice flavour pouches from the supermarket. Sorry Pikachu, but you're just not doing my rice all that much good. Well, there we go. I've eaten Pokemon-based ready meals 3 nights in a row. Pretty mixed results, not gonna lie. Probably wouldn't recommend those rice sachets, but if you want a quick and easy curry sauce, yeah, you could do a lot worse than that Pikachu one. Either of them were as good as the instant ramens I had before, but there you go, that's what you get when you buy blatant children's food.